Hello, and welcome to the Oregon Department of Revenue's tutorial about using our Revenue Online website to file your year-end W-2 through iWire. You can find the Oregon Department of Revenue's homepage at www.oregon.gov/DOR. Revenue Online is available via the Oregon Department of Revenue's homepage at the top right-hand corner, shown here. To submit W-2s and/or 1099s through iWire, you want to go to Revenue Online. There are two ways this can be done. One as a logged-in option or as a non-logged-in function. This first option is to log in to your Revenue Online account. If you don't have a Revenue Online account, you'll need to register for one first, which is explained in a different video from the Oregon Department of Revenue. After logging into your Revenue Online account, you'll see the list of accounts to which you have access. Submitting W-2s can be found in the Withholding Reconciliation/iWire account by selecting the File W-2s and 1099s using iWire option. This is the second option without logging into an account. From the Revenue Online homepage, under the Business section, select the File W-2s and 1099s using iWire option. Beginning with tax year 2025, the Oregon Department of Revenue requires that all manual form W-2 submissions, including those submitted using the DOR iWire spreadsheet, must now be found electronically through your Revenue Online account. This change is part of the department's ongoing efforts to streamline reporting processes, improve data accuracy, and enhance the security of taxpayer information. As a result, manual form W-2s and iWire spreadsheet submissions will no longer be accepted through non-logged-in entry. Click on the filing option you want to use, then click Next. We'll be walking through the different options. First, the manual entry option. You want to fill in all the required information. If you're logged into your Revenue Online account, the payer ID and type, company name, and address will already be filled out. The payer ID type options are employer identification number, individual taxpayer identification number, and Social Security number. The payer ID will be based on the payer ID type that you select. State ID type options are Oregon Business Identification Number and No State Identifier. A business that has an Oregon payroll account will always use their business identification number. The state ID number will be your business identification number. For employer type and code, select the ones that apply to your business. Then enter the company name in the payer company name field, and then your address. Once all the info has been entered, then click Next. In the From the Year field, it will default to the previous calendar year. If you need to enter W-2 from a different year, click the box Enter Forms for a different year. Next, you select the type of W-2s and/or 1099s you need to enter. Click the Add, Delete, Edit for the type of information that you will need to add. We will show you how to add a W-2. Click on the Add W-2 button in the top right-hand corner. After entering all the information from the W-2, click OK. Continue to add the rest of your W-2s. Once done, then hit OK. You'll be taken to the page to add any other information like 1099s. Once you're done, click Next. Now, we'll walk you through the properly formatted text file. Click on the Properly Formatted Text radio button and then click Next. In the Attachments section, click on Add. Then you'll see a pop-up where you'll select the type of information you're uploading. It'll be W-2s or 1099s. Type in a description for the upload. Then click on Choose File to find the location of the file on your computer. Then click OK. Once you're done with your uploads, then click Next. The third option is Spreadsheet from the Department of Revenue template. Click on the Spreadsheet from the Department of Revenue template radio button. You'll want to fill in all the required information. If you're logged into your Revenue Online account, the payer ID and type, company name, and address will already be filled out. Payer ID type options are employer identification number, individual taxpayer identification number, and Social Security number. The payer ID will be based on the payer ID type that you select. State ID type options are Oregon Business Identification Number and No State Identifier. A business that has an Oregon payroll account will always use their business identification number. The state ID number will be your business identification number. For employer type and code, select the ones that apply to your business. Then enter the company name in the Payer Company Name field, and then enter your address. Once all the information has been entered, then click Next. For the Spreadsheet option, you'll see in the bottom right-hand corner the Import button. Click Import. Click the Choose File button and locate the file on your computer. Click OK once you've selected your file. And once done, click Next. After completing one of the three formats, you'll be taken to the Submitter Contact Information screen in the section. Please fill out your information as a submitter. After you're done, click Next. The last step is to click the Submit button to complete your iWire submission. If you're logged into your account, it will ask for your password. After submission, you'll receive a request code. The next day, you'll receive the full confirmation number in your email after it's been processed. You can keep those numbers for your records. For more information concerning iWire and where you can find the spreadsheet from the Department of Revenue template, go to oregon.gov/DOR. Click the Business section link. Then under Employers, click on the iWire, W-2, and 1099 reporting link. Thanks for using Revenue Online. Don't forget to submit your withholding reconciliation return. Please see our video on how to complete that.